It's about to be March, and so far this year, the market's been a roller coaster to say the least. We had a bull run starting early January, and since then it's really kind of just been more down than up, with a few little gains here and there. Bitcoin's dominance in the market has gone down substantially. It's to where the numbers are a little bit off, but it's between 30 and 40% last time I checked. So the market is changing. People are either selling or they're buying in the dips. We haven't done too much buying, but I've done a little bit, and I'm still here long term. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, usually evoked intentionally to put a competitor at a disadvantage. Now, FUD, when it comes to the cryptocurrency, I look at it as lack of knowledge and skepticism. And that makes people get a little nervous because everybody's full of greed and they just want to make a bunch of money, and that's the only reason why they're messing with the cryptocurrency in the first place. So then when the market drops, they have FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they sell or they do something drastically, hence therefore messing up their portfolio. So FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Bull run. A bull run is when you have a particular cryptocurrency and it's going up at a very, very fast pace or a very continuous pace, and you want it to keep going up, or it is going up. So we say bull run. Bear run. A bear run is when the market or a particular cryptocurrency is moving slow and it doesn't seem like it might not be moving up for some time, so it's moving slow like a bear. Bear run.
HODL, spelled HODL, which is cryptocurrency slang for hold. A lot of people, they just want to make that, that quick money. So, they get filled with greed, and then they get mad when they make an investment, and then they get hit with FUD, and then they make the wrong move. So you don't know, FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So if you ever online and you see, somebody talking about HODL, HODL, it's not a misspelling. It's just a little bit of, cryptocurrency slang for hold.
To the moon. In cryptocurrency terms, means that when you got a nice cryptocurrency and it's on a good run, then you want it to keep going up, up, up. You want it to go to the moon. Don't invest any money if you're gonna need it right after you invest it. It'll save you a lot of trouble, a lot of headaches, and it'll actually be a good lesson that you can save yourself from learning the hard way.
Valuable on this one. Stay tuned for the next one. Next definition is, and alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and light this up and HODL for maximum effect.